Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here from Physics HQ. We are starting with a lecture series on MCQs and sums of class 12 physics from Maharashtra State Board, which is having new syllabus from this year, that is 2020. This series of lecture is mainly intended for students who are at home studying on their own in this pandemic, and this series will help them to apply the theory that they have studied for solving MCQs and sums. Let us first understand how the flow of this series will be. We will be posting chapter wise videos on MCQs and sums. For every chapter, one video will be dedicated for multiple choice questions and 2 to 3 videos for solving sums. Now the prerequisite is that students should have basic theory knowledge about the chapter and its related formulas. Now there will be many students who will be having doubt in some or the other topic of theory section. So I would request these students to please put up the theory questions in which you have doubt in the comment box so that we can try to make videos on this suggested theory topics later on. With this, I wish best of luck to all the learners. This is Sandeep here from Physics HQ signing off.